What's up guys, welcome back to another Quad Mania 5.9 video. Today's going to be a maintenance video and we're going to be dropping the oil, the engine oil on this Yamaha Kodiak 700. We're also going to be changing out the oil filter, which is an optional change according to Yamaha. But we're going to do it anyway since it's the first oil change for this machine. Let's get to it. For this job, we're going to need obviously some new engine oil. We're going to use Polaris oil just because that's our closest shop and that's what we were available to get. PS4, we're going to go full synthetic and an all-season oil, which is going to work fine. It's 5W50 and it ranges from anywhere to -40 to 100 degrees, and that's going to work just fine going into winter. We're also going to need an oil filter. This is straight from Yamaha. Let's open this for us. New oil filter is going to go in. We've got our ratchet, our larger ratchet, to actually pull out the drain bolt with a small extension and a 14mm socket to actually pull out that drain bolt. Then we got a 1/4-inch ratchet for our oil filter wrench, which is right here, and that should work nicely. Alright, let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, now that we're under the Kodiak, we've got our drain bin here. If you guys can see that, there's your 14mm drain bolt. We're going to have to undo that now with the ratchet. Make sure to level out your machine so that all the oil drains out. Do that by releasing the jack. Alright guys, now we're going to let all these parts kind of dry out because they were all hit by oil, so we're just going to let that dry. Now we need to prep for removing the oil filter. So now we're going to remove panel F, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Oil filter, which is right there, guys. I don't know if you can see that. I'm pretty sure you can.